Te kaunga mea ngā mea nunui me mōhio marika te turuhi I mui tana haramai ki Turanga nei.
Here's 10 things you need to know before you make your way here to
Paradise! Tuatahi e hara tēnei I te whenua I kitea tuatahitia e te rara.
Gisborne wasn't discovered by Captain Cook.
Don't say his name. Yeah, Captain Crook. You go on, give him a clap. That's what he gave us. Tuarua e hara Ngāti Porou I te iwi o Tūranga.
Number 2, Ngāti Porou is not a tribe from here in Gisborne.
Tika tāhau. Nā reira, tirohea e hoama. This is the unofficial border. Kei Tūranga ahau.
Kei Ngāti Porou awau.
Rahia, kei te pēhea rā koe.
Matai, kei te aha.
Kei te. Kei te pēhea. Kei te. Kei te pēhea. Kei te. Hei, hoi hoi koutou. Tuatoru, ko te awa o Tūranga, te awa popoto rawa o Aotearoa.
It may be short, but it's the biggest when it comes to telling on this river.
Do you see who I can see?
Oh, Cece!
Oh, hara mai e hoa.
Kia ora.
Hey, me mutu te pāpau ki muri. So, kei te whanaunga CC, have you got any tips or tricks?
Make sure that you wash your gear down, you wash your hands, because we have been getting some boils and infections every now and then, especially after a heavy rain.
Because of the shitere.
Some of our very living on the edge nannies that love to, especially when they are in race mode, they will go straight through you if you don't get out of the way. We do have some collisions every now and then, but we do a lot of fishing here.
There's some other manu that go
Ah yes, manu competitions nearly every weekend, especially off our train bridge, so watch out for our tamariki because they're actually pretty good.
Tuawha, ka ri ko mai I te parawa rewana, ka hokana atu I te toa, ara te toa, Kaiti Bakery, I konei, te Kaiti Hub.
We've been told to arrive here before noon if you do want to get a full one.
Tika tāhau. Speaking of noon, what rhymes with noon? Meng Foon, he used to own this place. I hokana e ia mo te miriona tāra taku rongo.
Well, you can also buy ruatoria pies here at the dairy.
They've even got sushi.
Yeah.
Don Bootyful.
Good pie.
Tuarima, he reo motuhake tō mātou I Tūranga nei.
Number 5, Turanga slang,
They're your pin.
which means you're useless.
Mumsy,
An affectionate term for whoever the current lady you're spending time with.
up to kill. Or breathe. Not breathe as in ha. Breathe. Very up to kill. What about teats?
Yeah, you may want to describe what is teats.
O taku mōhio, I ahu mai tēnei kupu I te kupu tītoi. Nā reira, he tikanga no tō te tītoi, ne. Bailey Mackie tēnā koe. Your
Oh,
teats,
boy.
cause your teats.
There you
Oh, you're
go.
not teats, but you know what I mean.
20 huck, 10 huck, 50 huck,
Like bucks.
Yeah.
Ets.
which is another term for not even.
Kia ora corks.
Word of warning, don't say fire here because you'll
You'll
get a
get
growing.
fired.
Yeah, you'll get
Literally.
a growing.
It's koka.
Kia ora kōka.
Kia ora corks.
Kill
Oh,
rānei. Kill.
Up to Mumsy. Oh, girl says going for a hiko
To get 20 huck.
from a breathe.
And a hairy. Your pin.
Up kill.